fly out of the whole thing, but they're just so slow. I don't know why.
Oh, I didn't check over the weekend, no. I can check later when I have the Wi-Fi. And I can work on also adding more like videos and photos.
Let's see the page. You're working?
Let me just check actually.
I have fly. Julia,
Hmm?
it's a real fly here.
They're used to. I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Same.
Same?
Yes. Oh.
Got two shoes. Fly out. I'm just close the lights. I want the fly going out. Oh, still here. My God, this is the big one. Yeah. You see? I cut somehow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Oh, Andrew.
Yep.
Let me show you. William did this.
Oh, yeah,
So
you
if
probably
you
did.
want to try, you cut this, and
You have the roller and everything?
then he print it.
Oh, nice.
You can try if you want.
Sure.
See, print like that.
Nice, it came out nice. Yeah. Where'd you get this
Bleak.
Blackrest?
Mm-hmm. Like this. Like this. So you can try different colors.
Yeah.
But I only have a few colors. And this. So you can come more. If you want to cut, you can
Sure.
try today. Okay, William.
Mm.
I'll work with Andrew.
Okay.
Here, I have some of those. You guys want to work.
Okay.
And also, if you want to cut papers, do you know how to use X-Acto knife?
Yeah, I use it a lot. Yeah.
Use it? Oh,
Mhm.
okay. If you want to cut this after the YouTube.
Sure, okay. Okay, let me work on